Hi guys, welcome to my channel and this is Aldi May J. Hamora, and for today's video, I have done interviewed three professional teachers about their experience in writing technical writings. So let's go. Good afternoon sir, may I ask you about your experience in making technical writings?
Yes.
Yes, here are my questions sir.
Okay, so bring it on.
What type of technical writing did you write?
Okay, so I underwent making resume and also last or learning activity sheets.
My second question, sir, is what is your strength in writing technical writings?
Okay, so my strength is I'm able to use the language and I can express and give direction and also explanations. But my weakness is I'm not an expert when it comes to technical writing. So there's a lot of things that I need to work on and to know more about it, especially techniques.
The last question, sir, is what is the importance of technical writings in your profession?
Okay, so as an educator, so it is very important to our field because through technical writing, I can give direction, instruction to my students, and also for the students to understand easily or to grasp things that I'm going to teach them, especially when using or um, giving instructions using an IMs.
Okay, sir, thank you for your time, sir.
Okay, yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am. May I ask you about your experience in making technical writings?
Okay, thank you so much. Technical writing is an act of communicating through writing, right? So, as a professional, teaching demands higher degree of competence in terms of technical writing. So, we are tasked to make reports and also we make minutes of meetings, announcement, and of course, accomplishment reports. So, that is part of our job.
Thank you. My second question is what is your strength in making technical writings?
Okay, so my strength, of course, is um, I can analyze the data first, analyzing the data first, and then understanding it, and of course, then we can come up with a write up already if we can analyze the data.
Thank you. My third question is what is your weaknesses in writing technical writing?
Okay, so of course, my weakness is I easily get confused and um, maybe sometimes it cannot be avoided that sometimes we also get um, wrong grammar, and that is normal. But of course, as a teacher, I need to proofread before I submit my reports.
Okay, thank you. My last question ma'am, is what is the importance of technical writings in your profession?
Okay, as I said a while ago, in technical writing, it is a way of writing such reports that is required for our job. So it is very important for us teachers to write something that is part of our job because um, we should always remember that in teaching it's not only merely in the front. We also use paper. We also have paperworks. We have a lot of paperworks to do, and since it's part of our job, we need to make sure that it's presentable and um, it's um, it's organized and it's understandable to the readers, of course. That's it.
Thank you ma'am for your time.
Thank you so
Hi
much.
ma'am. May I ask you about your experience in technical writing? Okay, so here are my questions ma'am. What type of technical writing did you write?
In terms of technical writing, when we say technical writing, it's a kind of writing related to our profession. So since I am a teacher, it is one of our job to make a research paper or action research for school. But in the moment, since I am still in my second year of my service, I still was not able to write an action research. But I have wrote articles for our school in the school paper, also accomplishment reports and other types of writing that we need to submit or reports that we need to submit to the higher office.
Another question on this. What is your strength in making technical writing?
Well, I can say that one of my strengths is that I carefully analyze the data, or I study first, for example, what will be the topic that I am going to write. So at first, I always think what is the best idea and what is the most accurate. Because when we say technical writing, it involves data. So meaning, you should write based on not just your opinion, but it should be exact, it should be specific, it should be accurate. So I think it is one of my strengths that I carefully study and analyze the data first before writing.
The third question now is, what is your weaknesses in writing technical writings?
Well, in my weakness is I get confused as to what will I write. No, because what will be the focus of my writing, especially in the action research, because we are really tasked to make an action research. So that is my greatest weakness. What will be the focus, what will be the center of my study, because I know that making an action research is not easy. So that is my weakness.
The last question now is, what is the importance of technical writing in your profession?
Okay, so as a teacher, technical writing is really very important because it is one of the needed requirements for our professional growth. In fact, you will not be promoted if you have not done any, or you have not write any research or any other kinds of technical writing. So it is one way that we can say that we have grown as a professional, and also it is a way that we can help the future generation through conducting studies that are research based and can solve problems in the education sector of our society. Because when you make research, of course, your target specifically is your school. You have to cite a problem that you see or that you saw in your school. So based on that problem, you have to make a research on why that problem existed and what is the solution for that problem. So that is very helpful to conduct a study in your school or in your locality, so that more teachers also will be encouraged and will know, this is one of the problems now that we are facing. So it can really help a lot.
Thank you for your time.
Okay, welcome.